All right, hello people watching this video. This is the first half of 10.3. We're gonna do complex plane and polar form. There's a lot of different ways of writing like an ordered pair, like an X and a Y coordinate, and we're gonna talk about those today. So complex plane, polar form, those are just two of them. We're gonna talk about like the differences between the two. Got it? Okay, here we go. All right, let's talk about, first and foremost, this is a coordinate plane. Okay, are you girls in the back listening? Mm-hmm. Okay, coordinate plane.
That's
and instead of having an x-axis and a y-axis, okay, instead of having an x-axis and y-axis, we have a real axis and an imaginary axis. Okay, so when you're graphing something like 2 plus 3i, it is literally the coordinate 2, 3, right? Like you go over 2 and up 3, and that's where he will be located.
That doesn't make
Got
sense.
it?
So why would you have
I don't know. 4 minus 3i is 4 to the right, negative 3 down, okay? Got it?
No.
All right? 0 plus 2i is 0 over and 2 up. Got it?
Is it equal to 2i?
Yeah, what? Your imaginary coordinate is like your y coordinates, okay? So we're just graphing things in the complex plane.
So why is, question.
Yes, sir.
Why is it set equal to 2i? Like, I understand that is what it's equal to, but why is that the...
What are you talking about?
Like, I understand that 0 plus 2i is equal to 2i, but why would you write it 0 plus 2i?
You wouldn't. They would write it as 2i, but
So
they're
why are they
rewriting
setting
it as
it
0
up?
plus 2i. I don't know. They will give it to you as 2i.
0 plus something is equal to
They
that
will give it to
something.
you as 2i, but then think of that as 0 plus 2i, right?
Okay,
Okay, now, one thing I want you to write off to the side. This is called rectangular form. rectangular form. Okay? Rectangular form is what he's called. Put a little box around him because there's going to be like, write this in rectangular form. Write this in coordinate form. Write this in component form. Write this in polar form. And you're going to have to distinguish between the two. There, between the 4 different kinds, okay? Rectangular form is the first one. So that is like the A plus BI form. That's what rectangular form is. If you want to put that off to the side, okay? Write him really big. Off to the side, A plus BI form, that's it, okay? That is on a complex plane because the I part is the imaginary part. You have a real axis and imaginary axis, and then they're going to talk about like doing stuff with rectangular form, okay? Now, I'm going to introduce something else, another form that they're going to talk about